Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Toyota CHR hybrid battery. It's simpler than you might think, as your CHR is a self-charging hybrid. This means the main hybrid battery automatically recharges itself while you drive without needing to be plugged into an external power source. The vehicle's intelligent system manages this process seamlessly, ensuring your battery always has sufficient power for optimal hybrid performance. You just drive, and it charges. One of the primary ways your CHR hybrid battery charges is through regenerative braking. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or apply the brakes, the electric motor acts as a generator. It captures the kinetic energy that would normally be lost as heat and converts it into electricity. This valuable energy is then sent back to the hybrid battery, effectively recharging it every time you slow down or stop. It's a very clever system. Beyond regenerative braking, your CHR's gasoline engine plays a crucial role in keeping the hybrid battery charged. When the vehicle is cruising, or when the battery's state of charge drops below a certain level, the engine will engage to generate electricity. This power is then directed to the hybrid battery, ensuring it remains within its optimal operating range. This dual charging approach ensures reliable power for your hybrid system at all times. To optimize your CHR hybrid battery's performance and charging efficiency, simply drive it regularly. Consistent use helps maintain the battery's active state. While there's no external charging, adopting a smooth driving style with gentle acceleration and gradual braking will maximize the energy recovered through regenerative braking. This approach not only helps keep your battery optimally charged, but also contributes to better fuel economy and a more enjoyable driving experience overall. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.